Hello, outstanding morning. Thank you for taking your time to be with us today and watching this video. Let me just take this moment to ask you a question. Are you happy? Are you okay with the direction your career is headed? If your answer is no, well, let me congratulate you for finding the right place. Welcome to Edmark, where you can start building your dreams again, and will help you achieve it. All we need from you is to say yes. Yes to endless possibilities. Yes to endless opportunities. And yes to financial freedom. So, who are we? Edmark is a multi-million-dollar company with market presence in over 30 countries. We are involved in various businesses interests from manufacturing, exporting, distribution, and real estate development. Our mission of helping people succeed in health, wealth, and total well-being has provided endless income opportunities for millions of lives across the globe. We have a proven track record of innovation and advancement since 1984. And we have successfully met all the requirements of GMP or Good Manufacturing Practice certification. Codex Alimentarius, duly tested and verified by SGS. And all our products are ISO certified. No matter where you live, Edmark can be your steady partner in leading a life of health, wealth, and total well-being. Our healthy living products are geared towards weight management, slimming, and overall fitness. It works through the synergy of 4 steps Power Healthy and Slimming program. We have amazing products that can help you reclaim your health today. First is the Shakeoff Phyto Fiber,
an all-natural, superior colon cleansing drink
that flushes out all the toxins from our colon, thus preventing constipation and colon cancer. It comes in 2 flavors, pandan and lemon. Second is the Meal Replacement Therapy Complex that helps your body to burn and break up fats. It is a highly soluble nutritional drink with complete vitamins, proteins, and energy-releasing amino acids that burns fats with only 76 calories. It comes in 3 delicious flavors: chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. For balancing our body's acid-alkaline levels and increase oxygen supply, we have Splina Liquid Chlorophyll. And finally, for rejuvenation and lowering down bad cholesterol, we have Edmark Ginseng and Yeast Coffee. Edmark Ginseng helps in the body's overall rejuvenation, and it's also a great energy booster. Yeast Coffee reduces bad cholesterol and helps improve blood circulation. Along with this, we provide live product demonstration to help you generate higher income and share the goodness of our products. These products, when taken all together with proper diet and exercise, heal from the cellular level to total wellness, leading to a sound mind, a healthy body, and a nourished spirit. Edmark offers not only health-benefiting products, but also the opportunity for you to attain financial independence. Through network marketing, Edmark provides opportunities, enhances lifestyles, builds futures, creates millionaires, and most importantly, helps you to attain financial freedom. Our marketing plan gives you 9 great bonuses from your personal consumption of the products, retail sales, and sponsoring, totaling up to 71% total payout, the highest in the industry today. Our travel fund has helped many individuals to see and enjoy the world for free through the enlightenment and education in Edmark education system. Success has been duplicated across all continents, communities, and cultures. Many of our distributors worldwide have qualified and are enjoying their house and car fund. With hard work and commitment to the business, we will help you make all your dreams come true. Here in Edmark, you get to achieve financial freedom while enjoying your health at the same time. We believe that you truly deserve a happy, healthy, and wealthy life.
So, are you ready to jumpstart your dreams to a successful life?
Come and join us now.